Welcome back to the Chessex 2024 Holiday Calendar Unboxing. We promised a new color for you today, and it's finally time to show you. For day 13, we are uncovering 3 mini hedrals. These transparent dice have a touch of blue glitter and white speckles. Say hello to Glitter Snow. I'm so excited for this set because these dice remind me of a snow globe. And the touch of gold adds warmth to this color. These cute mini dice are sure to add a flurry of fun to your holiday campaigns. Let's proceed to day 14. I hope you're ready for a treat because today we've unwrapped the Gemini Candy Cane D20. Our dragon sure looks hungry for a snack. Roll a confections check. A 19. I'd say that certainly passes. That is one happy dragon. With our dragon's appetite sated, let's move to day 15. In this spot, you will discover the Festive Toy Box D4. I love how this dice color is so pigmented and vibrant, even on the smaller dice shapes. Let's add it to the collection. Thank you for watching and following our unboxing series. If you would like a Chessex holiday calendar before the 25th, visit your friendly local game store or order at chessex.com.